Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like The Podcast, a show that gives you a weekly lowdown on Mumbai's food, culture, and new openings in the city.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil. I'm in the studio with Vivek Krishnan. A small disclaimer that we are recording this episode on Friday evening, so we won't be discussing, the Friday's match because it has not yet started. So we'll move on directly into the Saturday's doubleheader. Two matches. Hyderabad plays Gujarat at 4 p.m. and then Mumbai plays Kolkata at 8.
Yes.
So let's start off with Hyderabad versus Gujarat.
हैदराबाद को जीतना ही है, उतना ही मैं कहूँगा. And I don't see them making any surprising changes. One was expected between Henriques and Williamson in the last match, and it was a shocker when they dropped Williamson. They played Henriques. And
But it paid off. Henriques did well. Yeah.
Yes, surely. And Mohammad Nabi walked in ahead of Ben Cutting and Chris Jordan. Again, that move also paid off. I don't see them changing that 4 overseas ka combination. And talk about the Indian strength. Yuvraj Singh got hit in his hand and he was not very comfortable in the center. He was taken by the physio. He's been operated. Should you pick him? Should you not pick him? I just think when you have Henriques, Shikhar Dhawan in such great form and David Warner, why do you have to pick Yuvraj Singh? Whether he's injured or not, we haven't picked him, and this is the reason. Number 2, Ashish Nehra has been suffering from back spasms.
Okay.
Because this is a crunch match, even if he's 80% fit, they might play him. Siddharth Kaul, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, all these guys have done well. But you need somebody's experience, and Ashish Nehra has so much experience on his side, he could end up playing. Should you pick him? What we have done is Siddharth Kaul, Rashid Khan, Bhuvneshwar. Out of 20, these 3 will bowl 12. And 90% chances, rarely these 3 go without picking a wicket. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
So, and they are not playing a formidable team. They are only playing Gujarat. And Gujarat can be 90 for no loss and they can be 166 for 8. That's how they have been batting. And if they get bowled out or even if they lose 5 or 6 wickets, I'm pretty sure these 3 will be amongst the wickets.
Okay.
So it's a very safe call and it's a firm call also because Pradeep Sangwan has been taking a wicket in his
First over.
Yeah, in his first or second over. Dhaval Kulkarni and Praveen Kumar on and off. Basil Tampi conceding far too many runs. So there is no guarantee which bowler will play. And Gujarat have lost everything. They are not in the contention. They are playing for pride. And when you are in such a situation, you might experiment with the side. It is the last match. They could say Nattu Singh.
He's injured. He's out of the tournament.
Munaf Patel. Manpreet Goni. All these guys are in their team.
Okay. So guys, Vivek is explaining this because, by the time you're listening to this podcast, our articles will be up on our website, thefangarage.com.
Yeah.
The thing is, he has picked all the 3 Hyderabad bowlers.
Exactly. And if you look at the top wicket takers...
Why not Basil Tampi?
Basil Tampi doesn't give you more than a wicket. And he also concedes a lot of run. I'm a little worried he might get benched for this match. That's why I'm not picking these guys. And SRH batting is formidable as compared to the bowling of Gujarat. Wickets will come from James Faulkner, from Ravindra Jadeja. I really don't care even if Thampi picks a wicket or even Sangwan picks a wicket. I'm pretty sure, confident that Siddharth Kaul, you just look at the chart. It's as simple as that. That will explain everything to you. Out of, 13 matches per team, all these players have played. If you see top 5 or 6 wicket takers, Bhuvneshwar, Rashid, Siddharth will be in that list.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong, Siddharth Kaul has already taken 15 wickets for the season. That is a lot for a raw bowler like him.
Yeah.
And Rashid has been doing brilliant. Bhuvneshwar, not too long ago, just about 2 matches ago, was the purple cap holder. So when you have so many things going for you, just go with this lineup. it's a safe bet for two reasons. One is all will start in the playing 11, and two, they have been amongst the wickets. So I have no doubt, no hesitation.
Okay. Let me just go through the team that we have created for this match. So we start with Dinesh Karthik, obviously because Naman Oja. Okay. So the team is Dinesh Karthik. In batting we have Shikhar Dhawan, Dwayne Smith, David Warner, Suresh Raina and Ishan Kishan. I don't see Aaron Finch again over here.
Again, yes. So I wanted to pick him. 0.5 या 1 का कुछ पंगा हो गया. And I didn't want to drop any of the other 10 players. And I went with Ishan Kishan because he's going to open.
No, then, Ishan Kishan is not my problem. Dwayne Smith is my problem.
So I'm explaining to you. So you have Dwayne Smith opening with, they have only 3 foreigners, man. They're not going to play that Chirag Suri from UAE. So the Dwayne Smith form में हो या ना हो, 74 मारा था 2 गेम पहले. So याद रखना, भूलना नहीं. So he will open with Ishan. 1 down will be Suresh Raina. 2 down has to be Dinesh Karthik. And then comes Aaron Finch. So chances...
कितना बॉल चाहिए एरन फिंच को 50 मारने में?
बट दिल्ली का बॉलिंग भी चाहिए. 2 अमित मिश्रा चाहिए, 2 शम्मी चाहिए एक एंड से, तब वो जाके आई नो ही कैन क्लॉबर एनी अटैक. मैं तो मजाक कर रहा हूँ. 2 ओवर चाहिए उसको मारने को. बट आई जस्ट फील हैदराबाद बॉलिंग हैज मोर पोटेंसी एज कम्पेयर टू द अदर टीम्स.
डज डैन स्मिथ बॉल?
He does 1-2 कभी कभार, but we don't pick him for his bowling skills. We just pick him because he's going to go out there and bash the bowling. So that's why, and we hope Aaron Finch doesn't hurt. He will not teach us a lesson once again.
Okay. Moving ahead, we have
and you have to pick Raina, you have to pick Warner, you have to pick Shikhar Dhawan. सबको नहीं ले सकता यार. तो क्योंकि देखो अगर मैं ईशान किशन को हटा के फिंच लेने जाऊं तो सारा combination बिगड़ जाता है. Then I'll have to make changes somewhere else, and forced changes are never healthy.
No, Ishan Kishan is a good batsman. He scores that. Yeah, he scores at no time 30, 40.
35 मारा, वो 65 मारा और मैं हार गया. That's
okay. Moving ahead, in all-rounders category we have Moses Henriques and Ravindra Jadeja, and bowling is pura Hyderabad bowling lineup, which is Rashid Khan, Siddharth Kaul, and Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Yes.
Our captain is David Warner, vice captain is Suresh Raina.
फिर कोई लिखेगा डेविड वार्नर को क्या सोच के आपने लिया करके. अभी 2 मैच भी खेले ना वार्नर, में उसको ही कैप्टन बनाऊंगा. Having said that, Shikhar Dhawan is also a very good choice. The way he has been batting, very confident. You can also make Dwayne Smith or even Ravindra Jadeja, which batting करता है, bowling करता है, 2 रन आउट मारता है.
उसको एक ही स्टंप चाहिए हिट करने के लिए.
साइड हो, फ्रंट हो, बैक एंगल हो, कोई भी हो तो लगा ही देता है. So these are the other options. It's our job, it's our duty to give you some options, some alternatives. But
how about Ishan Kishan in Grand League?
Yeah, but does he get those 60s and 70s? Till the time somebody gets you a 60-70, you don't win anything big. 30-40s chal jata hai. Normal leagues में it can make a difference. But if you are playing the big one, go for a Shikhar Dhawan, even Yuvraj Singh.
But he's injured now.
I'm saying, if you have to take a chance, Grand League is what? And these days you are allowed to make 6 teams. क्या फर्क पड़ता है एक टीम में युवराज कैप्टन है तो. And that day when he scored 70, somebody had him as his captain and that guy won.
Yeah.
So
that's what that will make the difference.
Yes. Next match चलते हैं.
Moving ahead, we have Mumbai versus.
I only hope ये सारे matches में ना जहाँ कहीं भी ये लोग खेल रहे हैं, it doesn't get rained off, man, because the IPL has reached such a wonderful stage. And
the only place where it can rain is in between Mumbai and Kolkata.
Oh, Eden Gardens, you never know कब बारिश आता है. Mumbai will not care.
Yeah.
I think even KKR won't care. If it gets rained off, you're in the odd figure. Odd figure always helps you. But ठीक है, let's not talk anything bad. Let's talk only.
Okay. So we have
Rohit Sharma. Eden Gardens मतलब Rohit Sharma.
We got a Rohit Sharma fan in our studio today. So I'll just speak out the team over here. We start with Parthiv Patel, which is I don't know, Parthiv Patel versus
Robin Uthappa. So Robin Uthappa ओपन करेगा कि नहीं डाउट है ना. देखो क्या होता है, सुनील नरेन
यार 1 डाउन भी आया तो भी he can score that.
1 डाउन नहीं आएगा ना. सुनील नरेन will open with Chris Lynn. Then 1 down comes गौतम गंभीर, फिर उथप्पा आएगा. और मुंबई की बॉलिंग अच्छी है, कच्ची नहीं है. पार्थिव पटेल ओपन करेगा.
पंजाब के सामने भी बोला देखा ना,
वो तो है
230 मार दे.
ओपन करता है. पार्थिव पे ज्यादा भरोसा है. सी 8.5 पार्थिव है, 9.5 उथप्पा है. वो भी काउंट होता है.
Okay. So
and you can't have all KKR. I have Lynn, I have Naren. I'm counting Naren as a pure batsman these days. Then I have Gambhir, then I have Manish Pandey. तो क्या top 5 रख दूं क्या उनका?
Okay. So we have Parthiv Patel who is keeping. We have Chris Lynn, Rohit Sharma. Gautam Gambhir, Lendl Simmons, Manish Pandey.
Full
I'm
power
okay with
pack.
Chris Lynn as captain.
Of
Rohit
course.
Sharma as vice captain.
Please. Kolkata बोलेगा तो so 3 players, 4 players. Gundappa Vishwanath, Sunil Gavaskar to a great extent, Mohammad Azharuddin. सबका एक एक इरा बता रहा हूँ, एक एक टाइम. Sachin Tendulkar, and then it has to be Rohit Sharma. कोई भी record हो, 200 against West Indies debut, 264 against Sri Lanka, highest score ODI. IPL, Mumbai wanted to win a match. I clearly remember 2013 में कुछ था when Mumbai won that championship. Mumbai were in a very bad position and the wicket was playing very bad. I remember this. And Gautam Gambhir had set some ridiculous field and Rohit Sharma got a 70 or 80 and Gambhir described it as one of the best innings of the IPL he has seen. So he has done so much damage at the Garden. So उसका फैन हो ना हो इतना तो पता होना ही चाहिए सबको. तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग विद द नंबर्स क्योंकि इतना सब कुछ है. अगर एक ग्राउंड से प्यार है एंड सी दिस इज वेयर I feel Rohit Sharma has to step up now because Mumbai are not entirely safe. If 1 or 2 चाहिए तो एक धमाका innings चाहिए. And KKR's bowling is so good that Mumbai could be 24-2. And Nitish Rana has not been getting the runs. You can't promote Pollard every time. So it is up to Rohit Sharma. I am going with Rohit Sharma. कुछ भी होने.
Don't you think Lendl Simmons will be benched?
Very good choice. No, I don't think so. But when I saw Butler sitting with Sachin Tendulkar, I was shocked. Yeah. Why would you bench a player like Josh Butler and play Lendl Simmons? No disrespect to Lendl, but ये बात हजम नहीं हुई.
Okay.
मुंबई एक बार ऐसा करता है, दिल्ली 11 प्लेयर के साथ ऐसा करता है. इसीलिए 1 और 10 है या 1 और 8 है जो भी है.
Okay, moving ahead in all-rounders category we have Sunil Narine, which is like a common pick. बहुत जनों ने उसको कैप्टन वाइस कैप्टन रखा होगा.
Of course, his rating has gone up in fantasy cricket portals. Some have him as all-rounder, some as bowler, some as batsman.
In fact, उसकी अभी जब ऑक्शंस हो गए, ड्राफ्ट्स हो गए,
तुम देखो जबरदस्त लड़ाई होगी. एंड ये तो हम बिग बैश के टाइम पे भी हमने उसको कैप्टन वाइस कैप्टन बनाया था. When he started to open. Yes.
Then we have Hardik Pandya.
Yeah.
And in bowling we have Chris Wokes, McClenaghan and Jasprit Bumrah.
Yes, 3 bowlers. It's a well-balanced team as you can see. 2 bowlers from Mumbai Indians, that is Bumrah, McClenaghan, who have been amongst the wickets regularly. I thought about Lasith Malinga, but Lasith Malinga थोड़ा off color हो चुका है नहीं लगता तुमको?
Yeah.
Please say something, Mumbai fan.
In fact, बहुत predictable हो गया. So
क्यों ऐसा हो गया? क्या लगता है आपको? Why?
I think it's the same kind of bowling that he has been doing for past 10 years.
Very good point. और कुछ?
नहीं बस.
Age, injury.
I don't think in low age. If Ashish Nehra can be, amongst the top picks.
Absolutely.
You can't say.
Yes. And that's where I think, देखो Mumbai का क्या है, sometimes I feel loyalty is good. Showing trust is nice because it pays off many a times. But sometimes you have to take a call saying, Lasith Malinga, you're a great bowler. This time, off color, we should play Saudi or Johnson. Playoff में ये करना चाहिए. Not because I support Mumbai, but to see good cricket, you have to be fair to you're resting world-class bowlers.
Yes.
In Johnson and Saudi, play them. They might do well.
Isn't Saudi going for that New Zealand?
Oh, very good question. नहीं है. वही तो कॉमेडी है. उसमें नहीं है. No, I don't think so. Even Trent Bolt नहीं है. 6 डेब्यूटेंट्स है भाई.
सब IPL.
So, और 10 दिन में लोग चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी खेलने वाले हैं. So, let's not talk about all that. वो एक अलग सस्पेंस है. हम बात करेंगे अलग सा. Okay. So people who as you read so many messages, Nikhil, Ireland के मैच में and बांग्लादेश के मैच में we got tweets, people writing on Facebook. Are you covering? Now, like we explained to you, our full focus attention is on IPL. We are deeply involved in it. So we might not be able to give good time, appropriate time I should say, for the tri-series between Ireland, Bangladesh and New Zealand. Having said that, if there are any matches, I think just 2-3 hours prior to the deadline, we'll try and put up a team with a small article. So just wanted to make it very clear that we are not fully focusing on it. Having said that, given the demand, we also feel nice and we'll try our best. Let's see what happens.
Yes, guys. Both the articles for tomorrow's, or rather today's match is up on our website, thefangarage.com. One very important thing you need to listen. So for yesterday, the match was between Delhi and Pune.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was Firoz Shah Kotla?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so DD versus RPS. I saw, in our backend, people are actually looking for RPS versus
That is because
DD.
निखिल वो लोग Dream 11 रेफर करते हैं ना, क्योंकि वहाँ पे वैसा लिखा हुआ
Irrespective,
आता है.
it is our responsibility to tell. Please check किसका home game है. जिसका home game होता है, that team
First.
का नाम पहले होता है. So if it is Mumbai home game against Punjab, तो it will be MI versus KXIP. So ये because गलती से पब्लिक पुराना मैच देख ले, उस हिसाब से टीम बनाए, it will all go for a toss. Don't do that. Just go to our link of Fantasy Pandit. वहाँ पे तुमको टाइमलाइन से सारे आर्टिकल्स मिलेंगे. So don't forget to do that. Articles on the website thefangarage.com. Any doubts, connect us via Twitter TFG Fantasy 11 and on Facebook Fantasy Pandit. You can listen to our podcast on Indusvox Media, SoundCloud, iTunes, Audioboom and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like and comment.
And Sunday हम नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, Sunday break दो यार.
हाँ, please.
आर्टिकल रहेगा.
आर्टिकल 100%
हाँ,
रहेगा.
आर्टिकल रहेगा. Sunday break होगा. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts.
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.